All right, Rob Frazier here. Just wanted to kind of talk about TJ Holloway's six-figure blueprint for a little bit and the marketing system that he has put together. And so this is also kind of coming off of the tail of a bunch of changes that Aweber had put in place. And so what I mean by that, Aweber put into place um, basically, if you have a domain, you have to connect your domain to your Aweber, and you have to add DNS records and DKIM direct. There's a bunch of different things you have to do to make sure that your Aweber still delivers to the inbox. And so while that wasn't too entirely complicated, for the new folks coming into affiliate marketing, it can be a bear. When you first come into affiliate marketing, and I felt this pain, and I still feel this pain nowadays, you join a program, it says, okay, it's 50 bucks, whatever, to join the program, or 27 bucks, or whatever. You pay the 50 to 20 bucks to 30 bucks, whatever it is, and then on the very next page, it's the classic upsell. Hey, you bought this, but if you really want to make it work, you have to buy that. And then you have to buy that. And then you have to buy that. And the next thing you know, you're spending all of this money and you're not making any money yet. And I've been in that situation. It is entirely frustrating. It is annoying sometimes. I mean, I get it. You know, you have the $7 thing, and then however many people buy the $7 thing, a certain percentage will buy the $27 thing. And yeah, I get that. But sometimes you just want to be like, look, this is how much money I have. This program is X amount of dollars. I'm going to buy this program and I'm going to work this thing. And sometimes you get the okie doke, I call it. You know, you buy the thing and then it's, oh, wait, but to make that work, you need this thing. And, you know, I've been down that road. I don't personally like it. And, you know, I'm sure if you watch this video, you can kind of relate. So anyway, what does that have to do with TJ Holloway's six-figure blueprint? So basically, I just wanted to throw out there that the six-figure blueprint, number one, it's a marketing system, and number two, it has extremely valuable training, i.e. social media. I've learned a lot from the social media training. I've hated using social media, but I've gone through the products here, and this has really given me a direction as far as social media goes. Social media, you can generate endless free leads. But also the marketing system of everything I'm in, this is the easiest marketing system to set up. And I do also want to share a time limited bonus that TJ himself has put in. There's basically three levels. A $125 with a $25 licensing fee, so that's 150 bucks. 350, one time 400, or one time 1500. Now, until I think it is March 1st, I really got to go back and check the dates. It's either March 1st or March 30th. I think it's March 1st. Until March 1st, whatever level you come in at, you get the next higher level free. And I'm going straight to the money. Yeah. So basically, at the 125, actually it's 150 bucks, let me say, because that's the complete price for the marketing system, this whole marketing system. 150 bucks, one time, no monthly fees. You get the autoresponder, that works. That's easy to set up. That's a shot at Aweber because you don't need to buy a domain and figure it out and build an email list and do all this stuff. You buy the marketing system for 150 bucks one time, no monthly fees, and everything is set up, ready to go right out the gate. And you can promote other businesses with this system. I'll get into that in a little bit. So for 150 bucks, you get the whole marketing system. Capture pages, sales pages, the back office, just the autoresponders, some of the training, the majority of the training you will get at this $400 level. The $400 level, $400 one time. However, until March, I'm going to say March 1st. Until March 1st, if you if you come in at the $150 level, you get the $400 level as a bonus. So you come in $150, boom, you get the $400 level, and you're qualified to earn instant $300 commissions. At the $400 level, you get instant $300 commissions. At the $150 level, you get instant $100 commissions. Next deal, if you come in at the $400 level, $400 one time, you get qualified for the highest level. That's like over $1,100 in savings. With that, you get the whole marketing system, all of the training, because the majority of the training is at this $400 level. And at the highest level, you can take and customize the whole getup. You can make your own training, your own bonuses, your own autoresponders, your own share code, share it out with your team, the whole deal. You don't, if that's kind of freaking you out and it's a little techie, I'm right there with you. However, you come in, you pay $400 one time, you get the highest level absolutely free. So this is from now until March 1st. And this is a system that I'm going to be leading with for the ease. I've talked to a lot of people, even Lead Sleep, the system that I've been using. It can get a little techie with the autoresponders and the share codes. And, for the folks who just look, I just want to make my money work for me. I just want to learn this affiliate marketing. I want something very simple, very straightforward. I don't have to worry about monthly fees. This right here is the absolute best thing out there. Again, $150 one time, you get the whole marketing system. And you get upgraded to this level right here. And the training that I talked about is the 6-figure video library. In that training, it has that social media. And I've done couple other videos on this, that social media training that has really helped me out. So we have that. Also, you can, if you're in any other business or system, TJ Holloway has something called multiple stream system. You get it within this whole deal. You get it within the marketing system. You get the marketing system and you can add in whatever other income streams you want. And it'll set it up to where whatever other income stream you want is number one. 6-figure blueprint is income stream 2. And then they have a couple of different traffic sources that you can switch out. So, but that's with the system. You get it. And again, very simple, very straightforward. The autoresponder works. You can email your leads once a day. You can put other streams of income in here. It has the support. We have the Facebook group. We have everything here to help you. And it's a one-time shot. So if you're in a situation, we've all been there. You join a program, you think you're going to make money, and then by the next month you haven't made money, and then a monthly fee comes out, and you're like, I totally forgot about that. And then that's 37 extra bucks, 47 extra bucks, 50 bucks out of your account that you forgot about, and then you're already behind. With this, it's a one-time shot, so you pay it one time, and then however long it takes you to get that first sale in, you don't have to worry about money coming out. You just use our traffic methods, keep sending it to the same basic replicated system until you get that first instant juicy commission, which is either 100, 300, or 1,000. I don't think I mentioned that. At the $1,500 level, instant $1,000 commissions paid to you. You can get qualified to earn $1,000 commissions by joining at the $400 level. Now, after March 1st, he's going to take that bonus away, that upgrade bonus away. And if you're caught, trying to make that sale, he's going to terminate your account. So this is a member-to-member type deal. And, it's very simple, very straightforward. The program has value. The program has legs. I talk to him every single day. We're in close communication. He's not going anywhere. And I have a very specific path for the folks watching this. And if everything that I've done, I've now put it in basically a straight line. The super simple, easy stuff I put first. A little bit more of the techie stuff and, you know, the stuff that you might have to, you know, have to do some more work with you on. I put that in the middle, and the super, super hard techie stuff I put in the back, which is not a lot, but a lot of people like the simple, straightforward stuff. And this is simple, straightforward. You earn juicy commissions. You're not earning $6 and $7 commissions that aren't gonna, that's not worth anything. You get $100 commission, that's juicy. You can take 50 bucks, put it into traffic, 50 bucks, put it in your pocket, and that's decent. You do that once a day, even 2-3 times a week, an extra 250 bucks a week. So anyway, link is below in the description. Name's Rob Fraser. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.